My name is Hariyar Mohorkar. I am junior college biology teacher in Yashwanthav Shinde Junior College, Bhadravati, District Chandrapur. Dear students, we are studying chapter number 2, reproduction in lower and higher animals. Today we will learn infertility, which is inability to conceive naturally after 1 year of regular unprotected intercourse. The causes of infertility could be physical, congenital, diseases, immunological, or even psychological. The common physical causes in females are polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, hormonal imbalance, endometriosis. The common physical causes in males are less sperm count, oligospermia, and small size of penis. Prior to 1978, infertile couple had two options: adopt or to be childless. Today, infertile couples have many options to have child, such as fertility drugs, test tube babies, artificial insemination, IUI, surrogate motherhood. The couple could be assisted to have child or children through certain special techniques commonly known as assisted reproductive technologies, ART. In vitro fertilization is process of fertilization where an egg is combined with sperm outside the body in a test tube or glass plate to form zygote under simulated conditions in the laboratory. The zygote are early embryos with up to 8 blastomeres could be then transferred into fallopian tube for further development. ZIFT is zygote intrafallopian transfer. ZIFT is an infertility treatment used when there is a blockage in the fallopian tubes which prevents the fertilization of egg by the sperm. In this method, egg is removed from woman's ovary. Fertilization of egg with sperms is brought about outside the body under sterile conditions to form zygote by the process called in vitro fertilization. The zygote is then transferred to fallopian tube for further development. GIFT is gamete intrafallopian transfer. Transfer of ovum collected from a donor into the fallopian tube of another female who can provide suitable environment for its fertilization and development. This technique called zygote intrafallopian transfer, GIFT, has been developed for the cases in which only the entrance to the oviducts or the upper segment of oviducts is blocked. In this procedure, ova and sperms are directly injected into regions of the oviduct where fertilization processes produces a blastocyst which enter the uterus via the normal route. The IFT has a success rate of about 30%. ICSI is intracytoplasmic sperm injection. ICSI is an in vitro fertilization procedure in which a single sperm cell is injected directly into cytoplasm of an ovum in the laboratory. Here, the sperm has to naturally penetrate the egg. AI is artificial insemination. In some infertility cases, the female partner is unable to inseminate the female tract due to a very low sperm count. This problem can be solved by artificial insemination. In this technique, the sperms are collected from the male and artificially introduced into the cervix of female for the purpose of achieving a pregnancy through in vitro fertilization, that is outside the body. IUI is intrauterine insemination. In this technique, the process is somewhat like that of artificial insemination. The only difference is that the sperms are introduced into the uterus cavity instead of cervix. Sperm or semen bank. A sperm bank or semen bank is a place where which collect, store and provides human sperms or semen. The semen is provided by healthy males called sperm donor. The sperms are stored in sperm bank by cryopreservation method at low temperature. Child adoption is a legal process by which a couple or a single parent gets legal rights, privileges, and responsibilities that are associated to biological child for the upbringing of the adopted child. An adoptive parent should be medically fit and financially able to take care of the adopted child. A person wishing to adopt a child must be at least 21 years old, but there is no legal upper age limit for adoption. Surrogacy or surrogate mother. Some women have problem in implantation of embryo in uterus. Such women can take help of the modern remedial technique called surrogacy. In this technique, embryo is implanted in surrogate mother who is not the biological mother.